Hello everyone. When you open the SolidWorks, you will find this window. You can go from here part. I'm not going from here. You can go from here file, or you can go also from here file. I'm going from here file, new part, this. Okay, this is the SolidWorks user interface. Okay, I am selecting background plain white and unit system is millimeter gram second. Okay, in order to create the sketch we will require a plane. Okay, these are the default planes. In this exercise, in continuation to our sketch tool series, we will understand the linear pattern and the circular sketch pattern. All the commands I have discussed in the previous videos. So this is the last video of the sketch tool series. I will explain only the linear and the circular sketch pattern. Okay, I am taking this top plane, click here, this window comes, sketch. Now this is the top plane. Okay, so for this, in order to explain the linear, this command is here. In the command manager linear, there are the two options: linear sketch pattern and circular pattern. Okay, first I am making a circle here. Circled I am taking 20 mm only. 20 mm. Okay, this one. Now go in the linear sketch pattern. This one, linear sketch pattern, axis. There are two axes. Axis in this direction or y direction. Okay, in upper portion you will find x-axis. Okay, 10 mm. This distance is the distance between the instances. Suppose I take 30 mm. Okay, dimensional x spacing. This one, please note this thing. Suppose I want the number of patterns 6, for example, 6. Okay, and the display instances count, you will see when I will complete these options, you will see what will happen. And suppose I take this upper portion. I am using presently at upper portion. Okay, now if you click this one, you again click this one, linear sketch pattern, distance is 30 mm, dimension x spacing. Suppose I taking this 6 pattern, distance between the patterns 30 mm, display instances count. I'm not using this at present. Okay, x-axis you can take it in y direction. This is the y direction. This one, y direction. Suppose I take 6 and dimension y spacing also I am taking 30 mm. This one, and the dimension instances count, this one, and entities to pattern, select this one, entities to pattern, I am taking this one. You will see these are the patterns here. Okay, suppose you want to change the direction in x direction, you want to change, click here, this will go in this way. Suppose you want to change in the y direction, you can change from here, this one. From here you can change the direction. Okay, in x-axis, this direction, x-axis, distance between the instances is 30 mm. This small boxes of flashes, this 30 mm distance you can change from her also. Suppose you want to change 40 mm, you can change here, this one. Number of instances you can also change it. Suppose 7, you can also change it from here. And y direction, you want to change the spacing in these boxes, you can change. Suppose 40 mm, you can take it. Distances you can take it. Suppose 7 mm, 7, you can take it, this one, and hit right button. This way is the. In order to pan the sketch, you press Control key, press the middle mouse scroll button, and you can pan the sketch here. This one. Suppose you want to edit this linear pattern. How you will edit? Select any pattern, right click, this is the edit linear pattern. You can edit the linear pattern also. Okay, this one. You will see this one. You are seeing the number of patterns here. Number of patterns is 7, this one. Suppose you click it, double click it, you can change it 6. In this way you can change it 6. Suppose you want to change the distance, suppose you can change it 30 mm, 30. This way you can change the distance between this one. Okay, again you want to edit it, right click, edit linear pattern, you can change it instances. Suppose you want to eliminate 1 or 2 instances from this final pattern. What you will do, in the bottom, in the left side window, there is a instances to skip. Click here, and whichever object you want to delete it, select it on the this pink boxes, pink dots. Click, color of the pin dots changes after selection. You will see this one, and click this one. This appears. In this way you can eliminate any of the objects which you don't require. Okay, if suppose I undo it, now here you see the patterns, and this is the distance between the 2 patterns. Distance is always taken from the center to center. You please note this thing. Okay, in this way. Suppose you don't want to show this distance and number of pattern, what you will do? Undo it, undo. Suppose click, discard changes. Suppose I take another top plane sketch, I am making another this one. Right click, out, dimension 20 mm. This one, linear pattern. Suppose distance is 30 mm. Dimension X spacing. Suppose I uncheck this tick. What will happen? You will see. And this patterns I am taking 6. And display instance count. If I uncheck this one, and Y direction. Suppose I take 5 pattern only. And display instance. I also uncheck dimension Y spacing on this direction, and the display instance counting. I don't want to show the number of counts. Entities to pattern, select it, select this entity, this one, increase the distance is 30 mm, for example. Now you will see this one. You can change the direction from here, left hand, this one, and Y direction you can change also from here, this one, in this way. Now you will see there is no in Y direction. Suppose I want to edit, this is showing, I edit linear pattern, this, uncheck this one. Now in X direction and Y direction there is no change, no dimension is displaying, and the number of counts are displaying. Suppose you want to eliminate any of the object which you don't require, click on this pink boxes, pink dots, click. Suppose you want to eliminate this one, click this one and hit right button. Now those are up, disappears. In this way you can eliminate the object which you don't require. I hope you would have you are clear. Okay, now select it, you want to delete it, this one, select it, delete it. Or suppose you, after making the final pattern, you want to edit further, right click, and here you will find the edit linear pattern. In this way you can edit the linear pattern. Okay, now this one, select it, delete it. Now I will take another circular sketch pattern. I select the top plane, select top plane, sketch, and I draw a circle here, this one. This die I am taking, for example, suppose 200, this one. This is same as linear pattern, but in this in a circular direction. Okay, suppose this is, and suppose you click here, click on the entity, and you click this one, construction geometry. This is construction geometry. Okay, I draw any circle on this circumference. Suppose I draw a circle here. Right click, dimension, this one, suppose 20 mm, 20 mm dia this one. This is a circle which is placed on the circumference. So circular pattern, this is the pattern is made around the center, okay, in circular way. So how I will make circular sketch pattern? This is the point around which you want to make the pattern. Select it. Okay, you can select this one here, and equal spacing. You want to show the dimension radius, you please see this one, and number of patterns. Suppose you want 6, or you want to say 6. Display instance counting. You want to display the number of counts of the object. Entities to pattern. Select this entity, which entity you want to pattern. This one. This is in the circular way. Okay, in this way you can make the pattern. Instance this. Suppose okay, this one. This is pattern. Equals CP. This is the distance radius of the outer circle, and this is the 6. Suppose you want to change this. Suppose you want to make 5 only. This one. Now it is 5. You can, this way you can change the number of pattern. Okay, this one. Suppose you want to edit the circular pattern. Right click, and edit circular pattern. Now you want to edit. Suppose you want to this one. As instance, you want to eliminate any object. Click this in pink points. Click. After selecting this, change color changes. Select it. Color changes. Now I want to delete this one. Now only 4. This one. This one. Okay. Again I want to edit it. Right click. Select it. Right click. Edit circular pattern. Okay. Suppose you want only 180 degree here. You will see what will happen. 180 degree you want to this. Pattern is 5. Suppose, for example, this one. This is distribution of the object is in 180 degree only. You will see here. Okay. Again you want to edit it. Right click. Edit circular pattern. You want to change the direction from here. You can change it. Click here. This in this way direction change. Again edit it. Right click. Edit circular pattern. Click here in the first box here where this is reverse direction. Now it will go up. This one. In this way you can select it. Again I explain. Suppose you don't want to show the radius and this pattern, number of pattern you want to don't show. Delete it. Again I am taking this one, dimension 200, this one, selected, out of the command selected, construction. In the circular pattern, the patterns are made around the center. Okay. Suppose I take any circle here. This die is, I am taking 20 mm. This one. Okay. Now, this circular sketch pattern, select the point around which you make the pattern. Select this point. Now, suppose you take dimension angular spacing. Here, I am using this option now. This one. Please note this thing. Third option, dimension angular spacing. You can change the angle here. Suppose you want 60 degree. 60 degree, number of pattern you want to take 5, suppose. Entities to pattern, select this entity. Now, these are at a distance of angle between the two entities is the 45 degree, this one. So, and you don't want to share the radius, you can uncheck it. Okay, I am taking this option, dimension angular spacing. Okay, I am taking angle 60 degree. For example, I show you this, click it. Suppose this angle between two objects is 60 degree. Suppose I make this line here, and if you will check the angle here, it will be 60 degree. You will see this one. So in this way you can also make the pattern. Okay. So angle between any two objects is the 60 degree. Suppose right click on the object, right click, edit circular pattern. Now suppose you want to eliminate any object instances to skip, select it. Suppose I want to eliminate this one, click it and delete, right. Now this will be deleted. In this way you can make the pattern here. Suppose I take one more example. Right click, dimension, suppose 250, enter this one, this construction geometry. Suppose I take circle here, this one, what will happen? You will see, right click, this dimension I am taking 20 mm, this one. Now I want to make the pattern. You will see what will happen. Circular pattern, select the center, this one, and you equal spacing. I am taking again equal spacing. For example, in 360 degree, equal spacing, dimension, radius. If you want to show, you can show, otherwise you uncheck, it will not be appear. The pattern I am taking, for example, 6 pattern. Okay, entities to pattern, this one, 6 pattern, you will say this one, or this, in this way. Edit it, right click, edit circular pattern. Suppose you want angle 180 degree, 90 degree, this one. This way it comes in on this side. Right click, edit circular pattern. You want to change the direction of this one. Now you change from here, this one. Click here, this one. Again edit it, edit circular pattern, and instances to skip. Whichever object you don't want, click it, and this one. Now it will delete it. In this way you can apply the circular pattern. Okay, I think I have cleared all this one. I hope you would have enjoyed in my this. Please like, share and subscribe my this channel. Thank you very much.